What up, pimps? Welcome to today's adventure vlog. Today we are going to find a very beautiful waterfall. Isn't that right, Amalie?
Apparently it's very difficult to find. My family found it once on a random hike, so I guess we're just gonna hope that we will succeed this adventure. Found the coordinates that my uncle sent to us, so we just parked the car and we actually start this adventure on an old road which is broken and it's like torn down.
It looks like something from I Am Legend. Now I just need the same tan as Will Smith. Amalie, she calls shotgun every time before I get a chance. So it's always me who picks up the camera. Not fair.
Shotgun?
Fuck you. It kind of bothers me that we are only walking downhill, Amalie.
Then you know we are only walking uphill from here.
No shit, Sherlock.
And it's 4 kilometers back up. It's gonna be pure torture, like genuinely.
No shit, Sherlock.
I think we've walked around 15 minutes now. Feel nu på mig. I think we've walked 15 minutes. There's still 3.2 kilometers to the waterfall. We are in for a very long day. On the other hand, exercise has been scarce.
And also we started this day out with the sneakers. So.
Speaking of which, Amalie and I, we're not the best at bringing food and beverages when it comes to hiking. But today we've been good, right?
Yeah, 2 bottles of water, 1 Diet Coke and 1 Snickers left.
Only 1 Snickers? I thought it was a 4-pack.
Vi har fået en hver.
Har du også lige spist en? Jamen, jeg gav jo et stykke af min.
Jeg spurgte dig, om du ville have et stykke af min. Så vil du have den sidste bid? Jeg tog meget lidt.
Du lyver. Du har fået med den sidste Snickers, det er min. God damn, we're moving fast, Amalie. 2.57 kilometers. And if you look at the lens, you'll get an idea of how many flies there are. Speaking of insects and mosquitoes in particular, what is the point of mosquitoes? If there is a guard, what was the intended meaning?
It might sound a bit harsh, but it could be that they actually try to hold the population on a certain level. So they are carrying like malaria to make sure that people die.
It could also be that just like there are human beings that serve no purpose, who are just leeches who suck the air out of the room, you have the same kind of mosquitoes. It's not all insects that are bad, like bees for example. They serve a purpose, right? So yeah, that was very philosophical. Let's walk and jog to the 1 kilometer mark.
There are 2 sounds that just appeared now. One of them is the sound of dribbling water. The other one is the sound of a thunderstorm. Very mixed feelings right now because we don't know if it's safe to continue, but still now we finally feel we are close enough. But I must say I'm quite scared actually. Tror du dronen den tiltrækker sig lyn? Man siger jo at elektricitet tiltrækker det.
It looks like that we are walking into a thunderstorm. I really hope not.
I'm very close to say that we have to abort, and usually I'm not a pussy.
Amalie, we have to do it. We're very close. Come on. It's not even raining yet. Life is for the adventure, Amalie.
We are 1.2 kilometers away. 2 minutes later.
1 kilometer. 1,000 meters. Still no thunder right here. Amalie, she's terrified. This is one of the days where I have to step in and fill out the role of being a man and make Amalie feel safe, although I'm terrified.
Du kan jo høre, hvordan det kommer tættere på. Altså, vi ender som grillede kyllinger om en time, og jeg ved det.
We're very close, and so is the thunder. It's gonna be fine, Amalie. You got me.
What exactly are you gonna do?
I'm gonna hug you and say it's gonna be okay.
Okay.
Oh, they look delicious.
What do you call them in English?
Blackberry.
Are you sure you can eat them?
I
You
got
don't
it.
want to end up like Alexander Supertramp into the wild. Are you actually eating them?
Of course. Out for Satan. Yeah. Yeah. This one is sweet too. Try.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Like candy. When I was a kid, we had tons of these in our backyard. I collected them every summer and then I made jam out of them.
They're really good.
Come on. You won't die for these, trust me. Dramatic effect. Jon, we are here.
It looks pretty good.
I can't believe we made it without getting hit by thunder. I thought we would be dead by now.
And we are the only people in this world. Are you sure, Amalie?
No?
Use your arms, please. Amalie, det der, det går ikke.
We take our shoes off and then we walk.
Good girl.
I made it. So it's too beautiful.
Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? So refreshing. So refreshing and beautiful. This was definitely worth the hike, even though we have the same hike back uphill.
It is for sure worth it. This is probably the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen, and also it's the most like hidden.
You really feel that you are in the middle of the jungle. It's we haven't seen one person. It's just us and the thunder. We can't hear if it's thunderstorm, but it's not. Hasn't been raining yet, and we don't care because we got it. We got here. We made it. We're back in our clothes, and whoops. I'm just gonna sit here.
So this was it from our little day adventure today.
It was such a good experience.
I didn't expect it to be this cool.
Yeah.
But it sure was.
It's a new and different side to Calabria. Apparently Calabria has a lot to offer when it comes to nature.
The vlog ends here because we still got 4 kilometers.
Okay guys,
Let's go.
see you.
Bye.
How are you feeling, Amalie? 1 kilometer. Amalie is struggling.
Jeg fjerner det der, jeg gider ikke have det med.
Er det nemmere?
Jeg ved ikke, om det er sådan min krops måde at give op på.